Okay, today we're going to talk about question formation in Italiano. How to form a question in Italian. In Italiano, I spelled it with the small initial because in Italian you don't need to use the uppercase. How do you form a question in Italian? It's a very simple process. Let's start with a statement. Lui lavora. You know what it means. He works. The question simply is lui lavora. So, as far as writing is concerned, all you have to do is add a question mark at the end. When it is spoken in conversation, the intonation changes. Lui lavora is a statement. Lui lavora is a question. Now, things change when you have the questions introduced by interrogative adverbs. Don't freak out. They're very, very simple. These are what in English are called the WH questions. What are the WH questions? Are questions that begin with WH words. Who, what, where, when, why, how much. Did they leave something out? I don't know. WH questions because most of these interrogative adverbs, that's a technical term, begin with WH except for how and how much, but they belong to the same category. So, what are they in Italian? Chi, che cosa, dove, come, perché. No, come, sorry. Quando, perché, come, and quanto. So pay attention, that's just the change in one letter. Changes the meaning of the word. So we have the adverbs. And let's see what happens when we use adverbs. So we have lui lavora. And the corresponding question, lui lavora. Now, we want to ask dove. We need to switch the position of the verb and the subject. Dove lavora lui. When we introduce an interrogative in front of the question, we switch the position of the verb, actually this one, and the subject. Same thing would be with a noun or with a name. Dove lavora Luigi. The answer would be Luigi lavora a New York. If instead of a proper noun it were generic now, dove lavora tuo fratello, your brother. Again, tuo fratello, right, your brother. The answer would be mio fratello lavora, and then with the information. So when we have these adverbs, the question requires that you switch the position of the subject and the verb. The verb comes before the subject. let's go to another example. Quando mangi, mangiare, right? Quando mangi tu? You, when do you eat? Io mangio a mezzogiorno, at noon. How about con chi? With whom? Con chi mangi? Tu, oggi. With whom do you eat today? And the answer, oggi io mangio con blah blah blah, I miei amici, and so forth. Now we want to know something a little more specific. Che cosa mangi tu? Che cosa? Which literally means which thing. Cosa means thing. Che cosa mangi tu? For breakfast or lunch? And the answer, io mangio. The important thing, again, is that the subject is moved behind the verb. Perché lavori? Tu? Why do you work? Io lavoro perché it's always best when you're learning a language to give a full, complete sentence, to structure a sentence rather than trying to throw in adverbial clauses. So, io lavoro perché io sono povero, I'm poor. Or you can say because I need money. Io lavoro perché, how do you say I need? Io ho bisogno, I have need. Io lavoro perché. Do we have something else? Quando, quanto. How much do you work? Quanto lavori? Meaning, do you work a lot? Quanto lavori tu? Io lavoro troppo, too much. Let's ask another question. Is come? How? Meaning, are you working, are you a good worker, are you working well, are you working happily? Come lavori? Tu. Come lavori tu? And here the answers can be infinite, right? Io lavoro bene, io lavoro male, io lavoro in fretta, in a hurry, and so forth. Now, we go back to, again, to summarize, let's use the verb fumare, to smoke, bad habit, right? Lui fuma as a statement becomes lui fuma. Does he smoke? Dove fuma? There aren't that many places where you can smoke. Quando fuma? Che cosa fuma? Perché fuma? Quanto? How much does he smoke? And again, we have the whole list of possible questions.